Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
So trigonometric identities. Trigonometry sarvasamanalu. Trigonometry sarvasamanalu means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. How to get identities of trigonometry? Just to observe that. For suppose let A, B, C, capital A, capital B, capital C is a right triangle and right angle at B. So means and theta be the at C. The angle of C is theta. So AB is opposite side and BC is adjacent side and remaining AC is hypotenuse. Okay, already we discussed. So what sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse means AB by AC and cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. మరి adjacent side ఏంటి BC by AC. sin theta is equal to ఎదుటి భుజము బై కర్ణం. ఇక్కడ ఎదుటి భుజము AB బై కర్ణం AC and cos theta is equal to ఆసన్న భుజము BC బై కర్ణం AC and finally tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side means AB by BC. Similarly cosecant theta is equal to AC by AB. So because cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So 1 by AB by AC is equal to AC by AB. And secant theta is equal to AC by BC. And finally cot theta is equal to BC by AB. So the trigonometric identities means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. How to get? For example, we know that from this Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square means is equal to AC square is equal to from this Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to so BC square by AB square or AB square plus BC square plus BC square means opposite side square by adjacent side square. So AB whole square plus BC whole square. It's clear from this Pythagoras theorem. From this right angle triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So divides AC square on both sides. ఇరువైపులా AC square తోనే భాగిద్దాం. Divides so AC square on both sides. So AC square by AC square is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. AC square denominator numerator same value ఉంది కాబట్టి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. So AC square by AC square is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to AB by AC. So anywhere AB by AC. AB by AC is sin theta. So substitute AB by AC is equal to sin theta. So sin theta square, sin square theta, plus BC by AC is equal to cos theta. So cos square theta. So cos square theta is sin square theta plus cos square theta, one first identity of trigonometry. And another identity is, so same from this Pythagoras theorem or so divides both sides sin square theta. 1 by sin square theta is equal to sin square theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta. So 1 by sin square theta means cosecant square theta. So because cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, so 1 by sin square theta is equal to cosecant square theta is equal to sin square theta by sin square theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to cot square theta. Finally, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 is another identity of trigonometry. And final identity is so again divides both sides cos square theta. Divides cos square theta on both sides. ఇరువైపులా cos square theta తో భాగించాం అనుకోండి. సో 1 by cos square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta. So 1 by cos square theta is equal to 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. So 1 by cos square theta is equal to secant square theta. So sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to tan square theta. So because sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta, and cos square theta by cos square theta is equal to 1. And finally, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 is the other identity of trigonometry. త్రికోణమితి సర్వసమానాలలోని ఫస్ట్ సర్వసమానం ఏమిటి అంటే sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And second, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And final, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 is called the trigonometric identities. Very, very, very important. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Some examples of trigonometric ratios. So first example, if cos A is equal to 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A. And other example, if 3 into tan A is equal to 4, then find sin A and cos A. And final example, sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. For solve first example, మొదట ఉదాహరణని ఒకసారి సాధిద్దాం. ఏంటి మొదటి ఉదాహరణ? cos A is equal to 12/13 అయితే sin A మరియు tan A ని కనుక్కోండి అలాగన్నారు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో now that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta, and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and sin theta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta is equal to or cos A. So theta or A, both are angles. So sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, and sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So sin A is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square A. Now that cos A is equal to 12 by 13. So means cos square A is equal to 12 square by 12 by 13 whole square. 12 by 13 whole square is equal to square root of 1 minus 12 square means 144. 13 square means 169. 144 by 169. The LCM of 1 and 169 is equal to 169. So 169 minus 144. 160 minus 144 is equal to 25. Square root of 25 by 169 is equal to 5 by 13. The sin A is equal to 5 by 13. Finally, find tan A. Tan A. Now that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So that is equal to sin A is equal to 5 by 13. So 5 by 13 by so cos A is equal to, given that 12 by 13. So 13 remaining 5 by 12 is the value of tan A. So it's clear, sin A is equal to 5 by 13 and tan A is equal to 5 by 12. The another example, రెండవ ఉదాహరణ 3 into tan A is equal to 4 అయితే sin A మరియు cos A విలువలను కనుక్కోండి అలా అంటాడు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. సో అండ్ సాల్వ్ ద సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Given that so 3 into tan A is equal to 4. So tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. So tan A is equal to 4 by 3. But to find sin A and cos A, we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And secant theta square root of 1 minus tan square theta. Now that tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. So tan square theta is equal to 16 by 9. The LCM of 1 and 9 is equal to 9. So 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16, 4 by 30, 16 by 9. So, 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So square root of 25 by 9 is equal to 5 by 3. The value of secant theta is equal to 5 by 3. But we know that cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. So 1 by 5 by 3 is equal to 3 by 5. The value of cos theta or cos A or theta or both are angles. So cos A is equal to, finally cos A is equal to 3 by 5. And then find sin A. Now that sin A is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square A. Sin A is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square A. So because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sin A is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square A means cos square A means 3 by 5 whole square. 9 by 25. That is equal to square root of 25 by minus 9 by 25 is equal to square root of 25 minus 9, 16 by 25 is equal to 4 by 5. The values of sin A is equal to 4 by 5 and cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, it's clear. The another example is to find sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by quad 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. So already we discussed the specific ratios, specific trigonometric ratios means sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, tan 0, tan 45, tan 90 and cos 60, cos 30 and so on. Now that solution is, now that sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 plus and tan 45 degrees is equal to tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 minus cosecant 60 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. So because cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So cosecant 60 degrees is equal to 1 by, so sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. So that is equal to 2 by root 3. So cosecant 60 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3 by cot 45 degrees is equal to 1 plus cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 minus secant 30 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3, again 2 by root 3. So that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. So same values of numerator and denominator. The final value is 1. So sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees is equal to 1. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this